The video guys, let's see how we can build an interactive chat with Gemini API. You can use Gemini API to build interactive chat experiences for your users. Using the chat feature of the API lets you collect multiple rounds of questions and responses, allowing users to step incrementally towards the answers. This feature would be ideal for applications that would require ongoing communication such as chatbots, interactive tutors, or customer support assistance. Let's see it in action. We can see the start chat function from the model. You can utilize it for specifying the history of the chat conversation. Anytime you send the prompts over send message method would store the messages in the history itself. Let's see the response. For the last question, we have asked how many posts are in the house. Also, in the earlier chat conversation, we have specified there are 2 dogs in the house. Gemini API was able to get the information from the history itself and respond that you have 2 dogs and the dog has 4 paws. This is interesting, guys.